Welcome to CHAO On Tour episode, where I take you with me to visit coffee shops and milk tea shops to inspire and of course to have a look at some of the most amazing shops that catch my eyes. This time we are in Hua Hin, a seaside resort city ideal for family vacations and a second residence outside Bangkok or indeed your own countries. To get there, it is a reasonable 2.5 hours drive from Bangkok, easy enough to get to on weekends. Join me as I take you to visit Osot Place, one of the highly recommended coffee shops to visit whilst in Hua Hin. Let's find out why there are raving reviews on this coffee shop even though it is in an unassuming open shop house. Hello and welcome to Osot Place. Osot means Thai medicine according to the owner. These are the recommended items on their menu. They have the regular espresso, cappuccino, affogato, and everything espresso based. According to the owner, most of those that come here were foreigners and they love to drink hot coffee. And the locals, they prefer iced coffee. So here they have Asian, which is the espresso, cold espresso. That's the Thai style coffee with condensed milk. And they have all the others here as well. Their best seller at the moment is their Americano, their espresso tonic, espresso orange, and cocoa orange. So what we're going to look at here is how they make their cocoa orange and their espresso tonic. สวัสดีค่ะ คุณปีบ He is the owner of Osot Place. Thank you so much for having us here. So we are so excited to try your espresso tonic.
Yes.
And cocoa orange.
Cocoa orange.
Yes.
Dirty.
And dirty coffee.
Yes.
So one of their best sellers here is also dirty coffee. It's all over Thailand. So we are going to try that as well. Tell us about this drink.
This thing mixed with the tonic water and espresso shot.
Okay,
A
it
little
looks
bit
really
sour.
good. This is one of your best sellers.
Yes.
Right? So how long have you been doing this business?
I'm open this shop around 6 years.
6 years.
And this place is a own medicine shop in Hua Hin, Thailand, and we add to the coffee shop in 6 years.
Okay, so they started as a medicine shop, a pharmacy, and then you made coffee. Do you have background in coffee? Why did you?
Background of coffee, and I like coffee.
You like coffee?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you like coffee, you can open a coffee shop.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how did you learn how to make coffee?
With my brother.
Your brother?
Yes.
Okay. So tell us about your coffee. What beans do you use, and where do you get them? Your coffee beans.
I'm roaster in Bangkok and sent to my shop in Hua Hin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that the coffee beans from local or
Yes, local. It's a Thai coffee bean
Thai coffee?
from Chiang Rai and Nam.
Okay, from Chiang Rai.
Yeah.
Chiang Rai, that's where we have been. Right. So, okay, we are going to try these drinks. I think you still have the next one, which is
Cocoa orange.ที่มันจะเหมือนกับเราซื้อช็อกโกแลตยี่ห้อลิ้นกินนะครับที่มันจะมีรสที่เป็นรสช็อกโกแลตรสส้มแล้วกินมาก็เลย
ว้าว
แล้วก็เลยเอาลองมาทำเมนูนี้ดูครับ
So what he's saying is trying to make it taste like chocolate orange that you can buy from supermarkets. The brand is Lindt, so orange chocolate. I am so excited to try this. Next drink? Okay, next drink, it is dirty coffee. Final drink today, it is
dirty coffee.
dirty coffee. Dirty coffee is very popular here, so we should also try Khun Tip's dirty coffee. Can you please tell us about the drink?
Yes
อันนี้พิเศษตรงไหนคะ
อันนี้พิเศษตรงที่ว่าที่ร้านเราจะไม่ใส่ครีมแต่ก็จะมีสูตรนมของเฉพาะของทางเราครับ
Okay.
Yes
Their signature drink is the dirty coffee, and what makes it different from other shops is that they do not use cream, but they have a special secret recipe.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the secret? Which makes it special. Okay, well, you can tell me เดี๋ยวบอกที่หลังก็ได้นะ You can tell me later. แล้วก็อะไรนะคะ
แล้วก็ตอนสกัดเราก็จะใช้ปริมาณผงกาแฟที่เยอะกว่าปกติ
Okay. So when they pull the espresso shots, it is more than usual. So as you can see, it's almost like covered with espresso here. I can hardly see the milk. So I would say that they do put a lot of coffee here than other shops. As you notice that some of them the coffee only on top, right? But here it's going all the way down.
Going down.
So you sure this tastes good?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. We are going to come back to you later. Welcome, Christiana. She's here to help me review as usual. So we have 3 very delicious looking drinks here.
Super excited.
Espresso tonic, dirty coffee, and cocoa orange by Osot Place. Okay, let's dig right in.
Should we start? Should we do this, and this?
Okay.
Because that's light.
Do that.
Feel like it makes sense. Lightest to heaviest.
Okay,
Do you go first or I go first?
you go first.
Do I mix this?
No.
What one is this again?
Espresso tonic. Yep.
Oh, I don't mix
stir
it.
It's okay.
Oh. Oh, it's very good. It's very good. You want to try it first and then
It's
we'll...
okay. You just tell them how it tastes like.
So there's a bit of a sour taste to it, which is actually
Wow.
very nice. Usually I don't like particularly sour coffee taste, but this is almost a very subtle, almost like there's a hint of lime, which is a refreshing note. But there isn't lime in there, is there?
No,
Yeah.
it's just the taste of the coffee.
Yeah.
Which
And
I really like it.
Yeah, I really like it. It's a hint of
Espresso
lime.
tonic,
It's very,
yeah.
it's a hint of lime taste. It's very refreshing, perfect for where we are now. I think it's something like 36 degrees C here. So
And you look at their glass, it's very, very old-fashioned. I like that too.
yeah,
I think it's like those old medicine shop. So very simple, straightforward,
yeah. I like
old-fashioned.
this place in general
Yeah.
because it's no frills. It
No
seems,
frills, yeah.
but the coffee is outstanding. It's very smooth. I'm impressed.
Dirty coffee.
Yes, it's very good.
Now, Christiana loves dirty coffee. So
It is my chosen beverage.
on a scale of 1 to 5,
This one tastes like it doesn't have any cream in it, and actually it doesn't, right? I did ask earlier. Whenever I have a dirty coffee, I usually ask, do you put cream in it? Because some places do and some places don't. And generally I like it with cream because it does have that creamier texture. But this one, to my surprise, is very creamy. There must be something to do with
the milk?
way that it's made. Yeah, and also with the milk. But it runs very smooth. I'm really enjoying this one. I've already had one actually. Yeah.
I would agree with her. This one is very smooth and quite mild. I don't feel any
Yeah.
acidity of the coffee. I don't taste any sour taste at all.
Yeah.
I think it's really, really very smooth.
Yeah, I personally like a dirty coffee because really good ones for me are ones where the coffee doesn't come out as much. The coffee bean quality obviously matters because it will change the overall taste. But and this one has, I think it's a very good coffee. Yeah.
Yeah, good. I like it too.
move on.
Let's try the final one, which is a non-coffee drink. I mean, when you have a coffee shop, you should also offer something without coffee because not everyone will drink coffee. Or if they want to have a break from coffee.
This is very interesting. So I think we're gonna have
Wow.
to mix this.
Yes.
The chocolate on top seems very thick, so it would
Very
be
creamy,
really,
yeah.
it'd be really interesting to try what it is. So this is what? This is chocolate orange.
Cocoa
right?
orange.
Cocoa orange. Oh yeah. Okay, I see it. It tastes like
Lint.
tastes like lint. It tastes like the orange chocolate orange bar that I actually really, really like. I would just go to the supermarket and buy that alone sometimes.
Yeah, we love chocolate orange.
It's very, the texture is quite thick. So it's almost like, you know, the end point. A friend of mine who's a chocolate connoisseur told me that when you have a really good quality chocolate, you're not supposed to chew it. You're supposed to put it in your mouth and almost have it like you're enjoying a candy. So this tastes like almost the end part of when you have the Lindt chocolate bar in your mouth and you just let it melt for a little bit. It tastes like that, but in liquid form, which is just very indulgent.
Right, that's the right word actually. I mean, I must say it does taste like after a while when you savor it, that's when the Lindt chocolate, orange chocolate comes
Yeah.
through really, right? At the beginning it's not quite there, but yeah, now I can taste it.
I couldn't have this every day, but as like a dessert, I definitely could.
ไม่ทราบอันนี้มีน้ำตาลไหมคะมีนมข้นไหมคะไม่มีน้ำตาลเลยใช่ไหมคะ Okay. Right,
And apparently there's no added sugar.
no sugar.
Great.
Right. It's just the orange, the
Just the
sweetness of the orange.
orange and the chocolate.
Okay, well, thank you so much. I think I enjoyed all of them. What will be your favorite to recommend for this place?
I think for this place, I would actually go for the espresso tonic.
That's really good.
Yeah, I would say I'd actually, of the three drinks, I would have it in this particular order. Yeah,
Right.
this is number one for me.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I was quite surprised at how refreshing and how good this is.
Oh yeah, and I want
love
to
it.
say as well, like I've had espresso tonics before, and some places it's very tonic-y. It's like they want to make sure you know that it's tonic, so it's
Yeah.
like you really watered it down with tonic. Whereas
Right.
this one's a really good balance of the two. So yeah,
Okay.
that's my number one.
On my 1, 2, 3, I would say really it depends on my mood, but I'm gonna say I like the cocoa orange as well.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah, I like
Your number
it.
one. Wow.
That probably would be my number one here, because especially when I don't feel like having coffee some days. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, let's go back and talk to Khun Pip. We have tried all the signature drinks that you gave us to try here today, and amazing, they're all very good.
ครับ
You are
Thank
doing
you.
very well. I'm just going to ask him a couple of questions more. So, what is your plan for Osot Place next?
ตั้งใจว่าในอนาคตนะครับพอตอนนี้เริ่มปรับปรุงขยายร้านใหม่ ก็จะมีเมนูอาหารที่เป็นพวกพานินี่แซนด์วิชแล้วก็จะเป็นของที่แบบ grab and go ง่ายๆเวลากินเพิ่มเติมครับ
So, what he's saying is they're planning to expand their coffee shop to also add some food, like ประมาณอาหารแบบนี้
แซนด์วิชครับ
sandwiches to include in their coffee. But at the moment, you only offer coffee and drinks, right?
Yes.
So, this place they are already planning the expansion next door.
อันนี้ก็จะเป็นร้านกาแฟด้วยแล้วก็จะเป็นพวกแอนทิคช็อปอะครับของตกแต่งบ้านที่ซึ่งผมเคยทำมาก่อนแล้ว
So he is also adding antique shop as part of his offering to the public, because this area is a tourist area.
Yes, tourist area.
Yeah. So when do you think the tourists will come back?
I think this year.
This year.
Yeah.
So yes, that's it. Very positive. So welcome to Thailand. And if you ever come to Hua Hin, this is the place to visit. Very, very high rating. You will find it in TripAdvisor.
Yes.
Right? A lot of positive reviews from tourists and locals alike. So thank you so much
ครับ
for having us here. And I wish you all the best. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ครับ ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับ